Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life Midwife and a day with I almost said Brody. You're Dorothy. Well, actually, okay, it was a day of Dorothy and Brody because Brody didn't want anybody else besides Aunt Dorothy.
Yes, I had to keep asking him to get off my lap now so I could get back to work.
Oh, he wasn't sitting on your lap.
Yeah, that's true.
Nope.
On his favorite place.
He had a different shelf.
Yes, he did.
Anyways. Oh, so Dorothy came over the other day and we did the tutorial. And then yesterday I was fiddling around with some designs and stuff. And she came today and we've got a stash happening. Look at this. So we just thought we'd show you what we've been doing.
Mm-hmm.
So
before I got here, Kelly was busy making cards.
I was.
So,
well, more cutting pieces out.
yeah, well, you'd gotten a few glued together, which was cool.
So this was our tutorial that you all saw on Wednesday. And then I got this easel card started. So it's going to sit like this. And I'm going to do a picnic theme on that one. So very few of these cards have any,
Embellishments.
I don't think any of them do actually, any embellishments or sayings or anything like that. We just strictly made the cards and then we'll go from there. So then I got this easel card, which I did a tutorial, didn't I? I don't remember.
I'm not sure.
I don't remember. But anyway, I made this one. And then this one is the same as that, just different shape. And then we got this pile.
Yeah. So when I came over, I started making springs out of paper. Who knew? That's
Springs.
a spring. Isn't that cool?
So all of these started out, now there are different shapes and sizes, but just with die cutting pieces. So we've got just a few extras here
To put together.
Yeah, so all right. And they just have a little stand. So we got this little birthday card.
That is so cute.
And see, this is what we needed the springs for. And they flatten, so it goes in an envelope. So there's that square one. I love this one. I think
That is so delicate.
Yeah. There's this one. It's got a little stand as well. And
You had that one made by the time I got here. You just had to get the springs on it.
yeah, I had all the shapes
Yeah.
all cut. Yeah. Got this one. Now, all these ones with the springs, they're supposed to be freestanding cards like this. But my dies are this set of dies are really tiny, so I just decided to put it on a card blank. And then still have the same concept. Then we have this rectangle one. And I love this one for the summer.
That's very cute.
There's that one. And this is a sample that we'll be doing for Christmas time. There's this one. It'd be fun to even make that as a garland and put, it could be a garland across the window or something. I think that would be cute. And then
I like that.
I do too.
That was very summery.
So we've got the stand. And this shape here, my dies are small. That's why I put again on the card. But it's that same concept. And this one freestanding.
And you just had some fun with the ovals.
Yeah, I just...
And it could be for any time.
But I
And
think
anything.
pretty much Easter would be my initial thing. But-
Not necessarily.
But
Absolutely not. You could totally change that
Birthday.
up.
yeah. So I haven't put any sentiment or anything on it. And then I have these big ovals, so I made this big one. And so I'll add to that, it could be an Easter card. What we're doing is trying to get our stash built back up. Like a few years ago when you lived in the trailer, we had quite the stash.
We did.
And
Don't forget that one.
nope,
That's my
I won't.
favorite.
Yes. I love this one. So the hearts weren't going to stand nicely on their own, so that's why I put it on the card blank. So
I really like how that all went together.
I do too.
Yeah.
And we can make envelopes for all of them, so
Yeah, not a problem.
not a problem at all.
Very cute.
So we're getting the stash built back up.
Yay!
Well, I feel so bad because last week Tammy asked me if I had a card and I didn't.
Yeah.
So, and like now I could have said, oh yeah, here.
Like so there
something,
we
right?
are. Now we're getting a stash.
So
Yay!
start building up again.
Mhm.
All right, just a quick little video, but just wanted to show you what we were up to this week.
It was fun to sit here and cut out shapes with you.
Yes,
I got to use Big Bertha.
Yes, you did.
Yes.
And
Her
you're
and I
you're not afraid of her anymore.
I'm not. I was very afraid of the crinking and cracking, and I'm like, it's going to be in pieces.
Shall we show them who Big Bertha is?
Yes, we should. It's a Sizzix.
It's a Star Die machine. And so this one is a 6-inch across. I also have a 9-inch one across that we call Mega Bertha.
Yeah, the first few times I used it, I was cringing, and I'm like, is it okay? And yes, Kelly laughed at me. Oh, well, that's okay.
Anyway, they're coming over on Saturday for dinner.
Woohoo!
Mm-hmm.
And that means that whether the kids are at home or not, they're at home they're on their own with Daddy, wherever they may be.
Exactly.
Which is pretty awesome.
Exactly. Are you going to bring dessert?
I can do that.
All right.
That's a plan.
Last week I had a cake in the freezer and I just pulled it out, but her turn this week.
That sounds good.
All right. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.